welcome back. Today we're going to create a fun and easy mani using two colors from Sundara Nails, and we're also going to be using the gel base and the gel top coat, and we're going to be making custom press-ons. And the first color here, it's called Summer Neon Green, and it's a beautiful bright green, and it also is a reflective glitter, and it's perfect for the holiday season. Check out all that holographic goodness. And then the next color that we're going to be using here, it's called Neon Summer Hot Pink. It's a beautiful hot pink, and it has those gorgeous reflective glitters in there as well. And I really like this pink. I think it's perfect for the holiday season as well, not only for the springtime and summer, but check out these two together. I just think it's perfect pairing it with green, and instead of a red, we're going to do a pop of pink. So we're going to dive right into today's mani. It's going to be super simple and easy. And if you haven't tried any of the Sundara reflective glitters, I definitely recommend because they are super fun and there are tons of different colors. I will go ahead and make sure I link both collections in the description box below, but check out that one coat of dip, how vibrant that pink is, and that beautiful shimmer is simply beautiful. All right, so we're going to dive right into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and check out all this sparkly goodness. It's giving me those holiday light vibes, and I really like the twist of pink with the green. It's a little bit of a change of pace than your traditional Christmas mani, but I really like how this turned out. I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's video in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-on manis at home, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye!